What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here to unbox. We got the Blue Alien on deck, so let's just get in here and see what we got. So we got two items in here. We have the Firefly from Potensic, and we got the Firefly A20. So two new brushed quads from Potensic. Let's look at the A20 first. We got an instructions manual in here. Operation guide, it says. And so this is a little larger than the Blade Inductrix. I don't think there's a camera on here though. We got some 3-bladed props on here. And it looks like we have, I don't think these are 7mm motors. I think they're 6x15 motors. And I think that's a light right there. Let's see, we have an internal battery. We have some flashing back here. No light in the front there. So I don't know. Let's check out the transmitter in here. So we have the transmitter, some extra props in here. We have a USB charging cable in there. And this is the transmitter. Looks like we have altitude hold on this one. We got the self-centering throttle stick right there. Takes 3 AA batteries. And we got some shoulder buttons here, high and low speed here. Looks like we have headless mode here. And these two buttons are not operational. This button here is auto takeoff and landing. And this is your on and off switch here. So that's it there, the A20. So let's toss this to the side and let's check out the Firefly over here. I don't know what this is. So we have an instructions manual here. The same one, but this one has a camera on it this time. So we have an extra set of props in here and a screwdriver this time in this one. And we do have the USB charging cable there. Let's see, this one didn't come with a screwdriver. We have this in here. This goes on the top of the transmitter to hold your phone. So we have the transmitter here. The same deal here. We got self-centering throttle over here because we have altitude hold. And this is the auto takeoff and landing button here. And this is your headless mode here. A little different from the other one. This is your camera button to capture photos. And this is your video button here to capture video. That's your on and off switch. And the battery bay has a screw in there. That's why we have a screwdriver with this one. And so this goes in here. There you go. There. So this transmitter is the same style transmitter as our other one that we got from Potensic. I wonder if it's on the same protocol. Maybe we can control this one with that. So you guys can expect some flight footage and demo flights of both of these coming up. And ultimately a quick review or full review is the Potensic A20 and A20W. Thanks for watching.